solve for x. This particular equation happens to have a rational exponent, so we will actually use another rational exponent to make that exponent go away. That way we can solve for just x. Right now we have other things to get rid of because here's my exponent form right there, but I have a times 7 and a minus 6 to get rid of first. So I need to get rid of those parts before I try to get rid of the exponent. We're going to add the 6 to the other side. That way we get 7x to the 4/9 equals 1792. And once again, I'm still trying to get the x part by itself, so I'm going to get rid of the times 7 by dividing the 7 from both sides. If I divide both sides by 7, I'm going to still have x to the 4/9 equals 256. Now here's the part that gets interesting. If I want to get rid of a rational exponent, we can still use the idea of, if I want to cancel a fraction, I'm going to use the fraction's reciprocal. That way the numerators and denominators cancel each other out, and I'm leaving just a power of 1, which is what would make our x be by itself. So I'm going to raise both sides to an exponent. I'm going to flip that exponent over and use that on both sides. So let me show the scratch work a little differently. I'm going to take x to the 4/9. Let me write that a little better. And I'm going to give it the 9/4 power. I'm going to do that on the other side. That way it is fair. So 256 to the 9/4 power. Looks like this. I know that looks a little crazy, but by using the reciprocal exponent on the left side here, those exponents will actually cancel each other out, and I'm left with just x equals then 256 to the 9/4 as an exponent. If you type that in your calculator, you might be surprised because you will get a number such as 262,144. I know that sounds a little scary, but exponents can make numbers very large very fast. So don't be surprised if you get a number that is quite large sometimes.